In a low-level design interview, they often ask which design pattern you would use, and guessing Singleton or factory without a reason is how good answers fall apart. Design thinking flips the question, so do not pick a pattern first, ask what part of the problem changes and who needs to react, because the pattern should follow the change. Ask 4 things out loud: does behavior change at runtime, does object creation vary, do many parts need the same update, and do you truly need one shared instance for the whole app? Those answers become signals. Changing behavior points to strategy, varying creation points to factory, one-to-many updates point to observer, and one shared object points to Singleton. If checkout fees change by vehicle type or promo rules, strategy fits because each rule is a separate class you plug in without rewriting the exit flow. If you create bike, car, or truck objects with different setup steps, factory fits because creation logic stays in one place instead of scattered new calls everywhere. If a slot turns occupied and the display board, gate, and billing screen all need to update, observer fits because one event notifies many listeners without tight coupling. Use Singleton only when one shared object per app is a real requirement, like a config reader, not because the pattern name sounds impressive in the interview. Every pattern adds indirection, so if the behavior is stable and creation is simple, plain classes beat a pattern you do not actually need. A common mistake is pattern shopping, naming 5 patterns before you draw any entities, and that sounds like flashcards instead of design thinking. A strong answer states what changes, names one pattern that matches that signal, and says what you give up for the extra indirection. Follow interviewcrafted.com.